In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter spam in Hotmail. We all know the frustration of opening our inbox only to find it cluttered with unwanted messages. Well, worry no more, because I'm here to show you how to effectively filter those annoying spam emails, helping you reclaim control over your inbox. This step-by-step guide is straightforward, and by the end of this session, your inbox should feel cleaner and more organized. So, let's dive in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Outlook login page. This is your gateway to managing your emails and setting up any filters you might need. Once you're on the page, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This action will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy so you can access your account swiftly. If you're having trouble with your password or have forgotten it, remember there's an option to recover it right there. After successfully logging into your account, you'll find yourself at the Outlook homepage. This is where your email management journey begins. On the homepage, you'll have a clear overview of all your emails. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see various folders such as Inbox, Sent Items, and Drafts. Among these options, look for the Junk Email folder. This is the designated space where suspected spam and junk messages are automatically sent by Outlook's filtering system. Clicking on Junk Email will open up that folder, and this is where you'll examine the messages that have already been filtered by Outlook. If you find any genuine emails that might have accidentally slipped into this folder, you can easily move them back to your inbox. Just select the email, right-click, and you'll see the option to Move to Inbox. This ensures you don't lose any important messages amidst the noise. Now, in addition to manually sorting through your junk emails, consider tweaking the spam filter settings. This can be done by heading over to the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Outlook interface. Click on View All Outlook Settings, then navigate to Junk Email. Here you have a range of options to customize how strict or lenient you want your spam filtering to be. You can add specific email addresses or domains to the safe senders and domains list to ensure they're never marked as spam. To wrap things up, taking control of your email involves a mix of using Outlook's built-in features and being vigilant about the types of messages you're receiving. With these steps, you should find it much easier to manage your emails, reducing the clutter, and ensuring that only the emails you want to see land in your inbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.